Today's home tip comes from the driveway. It's about 94 degrees here now. Might be 24, 34, or something of that nature when you're listening to this tip. A lot of folks keep salt around for the wintertime to melt ice and snow. It is handy to get rid of your ice and snow. However, you might want to consider a couple of things. Whenever you're using a de-icer like salt, it speeds up the freeze-thaw cycles of the snow, of the ice. What ends up happening is when you put down the salt, it thaws the ice fairly quickly. Well, what happens is the water soaks into the porous concrete and it gets just below the surface. Whenever that water freezes, it will pop up the top layer of the concrete and cause your concrete to literally flake off. And you'll start seeing finer cement and small stones and rocks and things like this. And there's really no good way to resurface that concrete. So in order to save your driveway, sidewalks, anything that's concrete, think really hard before using any type of de-icer.